Okay, the fifth step is to loosen these bolts over here. Okay, they have 4 bolts in there. These are the headers. So we're gonna remove. So the first thing we're gonna do is take an old cloth and put it here so we don't scratch any parts. Yeah. Okay, there you go, over to the frame rail here. All right, so then now to loosen these things we need a 12mm socket, which is already 12mm, and a long extender. Okay, so let's see. All right, so this is the first one. Okay, well, first we're gonna loosen the bolts. There you go. Okay. We're not gonna take them out yet. Oops. Okay. All right. Second one here. Oh, wait. Now the third one here. Okay. Hold on. Okay, loosen up this a little more. Are they pretty loose? See? Well, let's see. This one it is. This one not yet. This one is pretty loose. Yeah, I can take it in my hand. So this is tight. This one a little longer, a little more. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now the fourth one. This is gonna be a tough one because we have the water tank for the radiator. Oh, so let's see if I can actually loosen it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, here we don't see it. Okay. There you go. Okay. And be careful with these knobs because we don't want to lose them because we're going to use them for later. Okay, so let me see. How, if I can actually get it there. Yep. Hold on. Let me take this off. Now we're gonna take the headers off. So, okay, hold on. Okay. Is the bolt in there? Let me see. Yeah, the bolt is in there. Okay, we got one bolt. And the second one here. Okay, let me put this aside. Okay, opa, careful. Okay, so this comes out. And we want to see where this is, I don't know where the washer is. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing with the other bolt and take the headers. Okay. Okay. I think it got lost somewhere. Where did it go? Here. Oof, scare me. So you have to be careful. That's why we put the cloth in there, so here, let's put back again the cloth. These things are not easy, huh? Okay. Now, where is the... What? Gee? Where did you find the tool? So, we're just gonna remove the last bolt. Be careful with it. Okay.
I know.
Alright. Okay, fantastic. Alright, so the fifth step is complete. Alright.